Welcome to this walkthrough of the Contacts Manager app. This is my portfolio project built using Python, PySide 6, and SQLite. And today I'm going to show you how to use this and what features are included in this app. So the first one, I made this into a .exe or an executable file so that I can share it. And once you click that executable file, it will bring you this interface here. So we have group sections like the contact information, the actions which add, delete contact, and this add contact button here changes to update contact if the contact already exists and you want to change it. We also have import contacts. This is importing from different kinds of files. And we also have the export contacts. We also have the search by name or email or phone. And this is the table. Currently, we don't have contacts yet. So we will add contact, say John Doe. And the email is john.doe@stanford.com, and we have a phone number there. So all we have to do is click that add contact, and it will give us a message saying that we've added the contact successfully. So there it is. I'm going to show you how we could add contacts using the import from CSV or TXT. So we have here, let's just browse it here. So we have here contact one. It's a TXT file, and when we open it, so we have here 2 contacts imported and 0 duplicate skip. Okay, the next one is import from Excel. So we have here contacts XLSX. So as you can see here, we have imported 1000 contacts and 0 duplicate skip there. We can also import from Access Database or Microsoft Access Database. So 1 contact imported, 2 duplicate skip. So as you can see, it automatically skips the duplicate values. Okay. Say we want to search for Gloria. So there we have names Gloria and all their different emails. Say we want to select this. So it's selected there, and we want to change, for example, we want to change it and want to put a last name, say Hernandez. So just click update contact, and we have here Gloria Hernandez. We also have this feature wherein you double click it, and then you can change it through here, say Smith, and then click enter, and then it's updated. We can also delete it by selecting it and then delete contact. It will ask you if you want to delete this contact. So yes. To return to that data, all of it, we just have to clear the clear search by clicking that button. We also have here a pagination. As you can see, we have 10 contacts per page, and we have page 1 of 101. So just click next or previews. There is also one cool feature that's included here, and that is if you want to sort it by name or you want to sort it by email. So for example, we want to export it to CSV. Let's just say export CSV and enter. It will tell you where that CSV is located. We want to export it to Excel. So this one. It will also tell you where that was exported. So if you want to see those files and check if we exported the names or the contacts. So we have here export CSV. So we have it here. Export Excel export here. Okay. So those are the files. So what I've shown you today is the interface overview. The adding of contact, the editing of contact, deleting of contact, searching and clearing the filter, sorting and pagination, the import of contacts, and the export of contacts. So this contact manager app is simple, elegant, and powerful, ideal for managing contacts on your desktop. You'll find the full source code and usage details in my blog post. Thank you for watching.